Everyone always wants to know which one's better, the sea moss or the Shilajit. Well, I want as much blood flow as I can get. So I take Shilajit for the and then sea moss for the nutrient. Fellas, you know what I mean. But it's expensive and annoying taking both. That's why I just take an all-in-one. It's got Shilajit, sea moss, and ashwagandha. So there's 85 out of the 102 nutrients your body needs on a daily basis. And they're so cheap. We're running a sale right now, so you can get the 2-pack, which is a 4-month supply for $30 with free shipping, bro. I'm kind of pissed. I paid way more than that shit. Y'all are lucky, but me and you both know sales never last long. So if you want to get them, you got to go quick.